Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you all to our prime number and composite number discussion. Okay, so today we will do the discussion. What do you mean by prime number and what do you mean by composite number? Okay, see, suppose here I am showing you 2, it is one of the number, and I will say to you, can you find out the factor of a 2? So you will do just like this. 1 into 2, it is our 2. Then after no 2 product which will give us the 2. So for which the 2, its factors are 1 and 2. Understood? Suppose I will say 3. How you can write the 3? 3 you know that 3 can be written it as the 1 into 3. Then after any other product it will not represent 3. So for which the factor of a 3 are 1 into 3. 1 into 3. In the same way, suppose I will say about the number 4. So 4 can be expressed it as the 2 into 2 equal to 4 and 1 into 4 equal to 4. So the factor of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Here it repeats, you just have to stop at there. So the factor of 4 are 1, then after 2, then after 4. And factor of 5 in this way you will get it as the 1, another one it is 5. Understood? And factor of 6, how you will get the factor of 6? See, 6 can be written as 1 into 6. Then after 2 into 3. Then after 3 into 2, where it repeats 3 into 2, you just have to stop at there and the factors are 1, 2, 3, then after 6. Easy concept. So here the factor of a 6 are 1, 2, then after 3, then after 6. In the same way, factor of a 7 one can find 1, then after 7. Understood? Then after factor of 8 I will write. Factor of 8 I will write. The factor of 8 are, see, 1, 2, 4, here it is 8. Factor of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Factor of 10 are 1 into 10 it is 10, 2 into 5 it is equal to 10. So the factor of 10 we have written it as the 1 to 5, 10. And see, first number it is 1, its factor 1 means only 1 can be written as the 1 into 1. And in a single step, its factorization it will be stopped. So for which 1 having only 1 factor. See, from the number 1 to 10, one thing it is observed that the few of the numbers having 2 number it as its factor. This number having also 2 factors. This number also having 2 factors. This number also having the 2 factors. See, here it is the number having 2 factors, it is 2 factors, it is 2 factors and it is 2 factors. Remember the number which is having 2 factors. Otherwise the number which has 2 factors, this number we can call it as the prime number. Prime number are the numbers who has only 2 factors. The number having 2 factors, otherwise the number has 2 factors, that number we can call it as the prime number. Understood? So for which here it is 2 it is a prime number, 3 it is a prime number, then after 5 it is a prime number, then after 7 it is also a prime number. Understood? Then after we will do the discussion of the composite numbers. Composite number means number which has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. See, this number having more than 2 factors. This number having more than 2 factors. This number having more than 2 factors. This number also having more than 2 factors. This one too also having more than 2 factors. So it is easy formula. 2 factors, prime number, more than 2 factors, composite numbers. Understood? But many of the students they are saying that sir, the number which are not prime are composite, are not prime are not the composite. Just see why. Because this number it is, see this one it is one of the number which has only 1 factors. So the number which has only one factors, one it is the special one. So for which this one it is not the neither prime nor composite. So for this one we can call it as the special number. Special number. 1 it is the special number because 1 it is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so don't say that a prime number means 2 factor, composite number, don't say that the numbers which are not prime. Not prime means maybe a chance of the special number. So how you can call that the not prime is the composite number? Prime means 2 factors, composite means more than 2 factors, and special number means only 1 factors. Okay, and that 1 it is neither prime nor composite numbers. Perfectly understood. And another thing you just have to remember, which number are the prime numbers? Which number are the prime numbers? Their factors are 1 and itself. See, 1 and itself. Here it is the factor is 1 and itself. Here the factor it is 1 and itself. Here it is factor it is 1 and itself. So for which it may be asked that prime number having which factors? Prime number having the factor of 1 and itself. Understood? So just like I have done all these things, so you have to just test the number from 1 to 100 just like I have done. Then after you just have to check which number having how many factors, such that one can say which number it is the prime number and which number it is the composite number. But here I am making the list of the prime number from 1 to 100. You just have to remember this one it is the 2, it is the first prime, then after 3, then after your 5, then after 7, then after your 11, then after your 13, then after your 17, then after your 19, then after your 23, then after your 29, then after your 31, then after your 37, then after your 41, then after your 43, then after 47, then after 53, then after 59, then after 61, then after 67, then after 71, then after your 73, then after your 79, then after your 83, then after your 83, then after 97, and it will be our last one. Last one. See, total number of prime numbers from 1 to 100 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you just have to remember number of prime numbers from 1 to 100 it is 24 in numbers, and special number it is 1 in number. So 24, 1, 25 gone. So out of 25 the composite number it is 75 in numbers. Understood? It may be asked in any of the competitive, otherwise in your exam also objective type question, total number of how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. Total number of prime number from 1 to 100 it is 24 in numbers. 1 it is the special number, and 75 are there which are the composite numbers. Ready? And another thing it is asked that 2 it is the even prime. 2 it is only one even prime. Remember, 2 it is the even prime. 2 it is the even prime. 2 it is called as the even prime. Otherwise, it may be called it as the first prime. The first prime number it is ever 2. The first prime number it is ever 2. Otherwise, only one even prime number. Even prime number means divisible by 2. You may check nowhere any of the different another prime number you will get which will be divisible by 2. So as this one it is the only one number, one prime number which is divisible by 2, also the prime number. So for which it is called as the prime number, even prime number. Also it is called as your even prime number, otherwise prime number divisible by 2. Understood? See, whenever this one it is the prime number, so it means our composite number starts from 1, it is the special number, then after composite number 1 2 3 4, then after 6, then after 8, then after 9 it will continue. So first composite number, remember first composite number it is our 4. Just like first prime number it is 2, in the same way question may come that the first composite number it will be how much, so you have to say that the first composite number it will be our 4. Okay, now we will do the discussion regarding that twin prime number, how we can call it as the twin prime number. See, one term it is to be described, that one it is twin prime, then after prime triplet it is to be discussed, then after coprime number also it is to be discussed. See, next we will do the discussion of the twin prime number, then after prime triplet, then after coprime numbers. So from all these prime number, you just have to see one magic. So here between the 2 and 3, the difference it is 1. But we will collect the prime numbers whose difference it is 2. See, here it is nearby, the difference it is 2. 5 and 7, here the difference it is also 2. Here it is 11 and 13, their difference it is 2. Here it is 17 and 19. Their difference it is also 2. See, here it is 23, here the difference it is not 2. Here it is 29 and 31. Here the difference it is also 2. And then after 41, 43. So here means the difference it is your 2. Here it is 59, 61. Here the difference it is 2. Then after no one. Okay, so it means here it is one of the pair we got 3, 5, which are the prime numbers, also the difference between them it is 2. 3, 5, then after 5, 7 also prime number, also their difference it is also 2. In the same way 11 and 13 it is another, 17 and 19 it is another, then after 29, 31 it is another, 41 and 43 it is another, then after 59, 61 it is another, 37 this one, 41, 43, then after 43, 47, 51, 59, then after 67, here it is 71 and 73, another one, 71 and 73, here it is 71 and 73, it is another. So for which we will get this type of a pair of prime numbers whose difference it is 2, and remember, whenever you are getting the prime number, pair of a prime number whose difference it is 2, always that pair of a prime numbers we can call it as the twin prime. So the definition of the twin prime, you have to remember, the two prime numbers are said to be twin primes. The two prime numbers are said to be twin prime whenever the difference between them it is 2. Here the difference it is 2, here the difference it is 2, here the difference it is 2. And this type of 8 prime number pair you will get from 1 to 100. Okay. And next one it is our prime triplet. See, prime triplet means 3 prime number 1, here it is another one, here it is another one. The 3 prime numbers we can call it as the prime triplet. 3 prime numbers we can call it as the prime triplet if here to here the difference it is 2, and from here to here also the difference it is 2. So it means if the difference between the two consecutive prime number it is 2 in each case, then after the 3 prime numbers we can call it as the prime triplet. And the prime triplet, only one prime triplet it is there in the system. 3, 5, another one it is 7. So 3, 5, 7 it is the only one prime triplet. So 3 prime numbers we can call it as the prime triplet if the difference between the two consecutive prime number it is always 2. Okay, so now we will do the definition of the coprime numbers. I am erasing. See, coprime number means, see, suppose one number it is 2, another number it is 3, we are doing the discussion. Its factor it is 1 and 2. Its factor is 1 and 3. See, here it is 1, here it is 1. Between the 2 and 3, here the common factor it is only 1. Common factor it is only 1. Remember, whenever the between the any two number, here prime, it does not mean that the 100% the number should be prime. Any two number we can call it as the coprime number. Any two number. If both the numbers having 1, it has the common factor. If 1 is the common factor between the any two numbers, then after we can call that two numbers are the coprime numbers. And remember, any consecutive number 4, 5 you may take. Here the factor it is 1, 2, 4. 5 here the factor it is 1, 5. Any two consecutive number you may take. Any two consecutive number 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 99, 100. Any two consecutive number you may take. Always you will find that the two consecutive numbers always will be coprime number. So remember one point. Every composite number means every two a pair of a composite number which are the consecutive number, always that consecutive two numbers we can call it as the coprime number. So coprime number example it is, you may give it as the 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 10, 99, 100. So any two consecutive number you may consider, always their common factor it is only 1. So for which both the number we can call it as the coprime numbers. Suppose one will ask, sir, two prime number can we call it as the coprime number? See, two prime number, one it is 3, another one it is your 5. See, here it is 3, here it is 5. Here the factor it is 1, 3. Here the factor it is 1, 5. See, here both are not consecutive number, but both of them having the common factor it has the 1. Both of them having the common factor it has the 1. Also for this situation also we can call it as the coprime number. Remember, two consecutive numbers are coprime number. Also any two prime number also can be called it as the coprime number. So coprime number means either consecutive number, otherwise both may be the prime number. Perfectly understood? Understood perfectly? See, here it is one of the method by which we can find out the total number of a prime number from 1 to 50. Actually in the book it is giving that number from 1 to 100, how to find out the prime number, composite number and special number from 1 to 100. But here the board it is not supporting, for which I am minimizing the discussion from the number 1 to 50. See, the name of the method it is called as the Sieve-Eratosthenes method. The Sieve-Eratosthenes method, by using this method, how to find the prime number from 1 to 50. See, everyone see, this one you know very well, 1 it is the special number, for which keep it within the box. Okay, see, 2 it is our prime number, we know very well, 2 it is the first prime number. So then after, which numbers are the multiples of the 2, you just have to cross. First multiples it is our 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 into 4 equal to 8, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 2 into 6 equal to 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 into 12 24, 2 into 13 26, 2 into 14 28, 2 into 15 30, 2 into 16 32, 2 into 17 34, 2 into 18 36, 2 into 19 38, 2 into 20 40, 2 into 21 it is our 42. Then 2 into 22 it is our 44, 2 into 23 46, 2 into 24 48 and 2 into 25, it is our 50. See, then after come to 3. Then after the multiples of 3 we have to cancel. Which numbers already crossed, no need to cross it again. See, 3, its multiple 6, then after 9, then after 12, 15, then after 18, 21, then after 27, 30, then after 33, then after 39, 3 into 13, then after 45. Okay, so all the multiples of 3 also I have cancelled. Then after the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cancelled. Then after 30, 35 cancelled. Then after 40 cancelled. 45, 50 also cancelled. Then after we will do the cancellation of the multiples of the 7, 14, 21, 28, then after 35, 42, then after everything it is cancelled. Then after 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 cancelled. 13, its multiples are 13, 26 cancelled, 39 cancelled, 52 also. 52 it is not in our discussion. Then after 17, 34, 68 it is not in our discussion. 51. Then after 19, here it is 19. Then after 38 cancel. 19 3s are 57, not in our discussion. Then after 23, 46 cancel. Then after 31, then after it will be 62, not in our discussion. Then after 37, it's 74, not in our discussion. 41, its multiples, not in our discussion. 43, its multiples, not in our discussion. 43, not in our discussion. Then after, here it is one thing I have forgotten. 7, its multiples it is 49. 7, its multiples it is 49. By mistakenly I have forgotten. 7, its multiples it is 49. It is to be crossed. See, which numbers are within the circle? These numbers are, we can call it as the prime number, and the number which have already crossed that number, it is our composite number, and one it is kept within the box for which this one it is called as our special number. Ready? So now we will do the discussion of the even number and odd number. Okay. Now we will do the discussion regarding even number, then after we will do the discussion on regarding our odd numbers. See, even number means the normal definition, remember. Suppose 1 it is 4. 4 is perfectly divisible by 2. 2 2 are 4. Here the remainder it is 0. 6 also it will be divisible by 2. 2 3 are 6. Here it is 0. Here it is 10. 2 5 are 10. Here the remainder it is equal to 0. So you just have to remember, even number means which numbers are divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 2, these number we can call it as the even numbers. Understood? Otherwise, another definition, remember, 4 its factors are 1 to 4, 6 its factors are 1 2 3 6, 10 its factors are 1 2 5 10. So it means everywhere you are getting 2 it is a factor, 2 it is a factor, 2 it is a factor. So remember the definition of the even number in two ways. First you have to remember the number which are divisible by 2. The number which are divisible by 2 are called as our even numbers. See, first natural number we are doing the discussion. 2 it is divisible by 2. So 2 it is the first even number. Then after whenever we will do the discussion of the whole number means 0 also it is our even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, all these are our even number, because all these numbers will be divisible by 2. Otherwise, in the another way, you just have to remember, the numbers which having 2 as the factor, it is called as our even number. Number having 2 as the factor, it is called as our even number. And here I am giving you the shortcut trick. See, only you have to check the even place, unit place. If the unit place it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then after you can say that number it is our even number. By checking the unit place, one can say that whether it is the even number, otherwise it is the odd number. See, here it is 124, unit place it is 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so unit place it is 4, for which it is even. And the definition of the odd number, you just have to remember, the number which is not divisible by 2, it is called as our odd number. Otherwise, see, 3 it is one number. Here the factor of a 3 are 1 and 3. So 2 it is not a factor. 2 it is not a factor. Otherwise, one can say that number which does not have 2 as its factor, that number we can call it as the odd numbers. And listen, the shortcut trick how you can find out it is not the odd number. See, if the unit place it is our 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then after this number we can call it as the odd number. See, in the number 1 it is the first odd number, then after 3, then after 5, then after 7, then after 9, then after 11. Clear? Perfectly understood or not understood? Listen, whenever we will do the discussion of the whole number, in the whole number 0 it is the first even number. Whenever natural number we will do the discussion, in the natural number 2 it is the first even number. 0 it is the first even number in the whole number discussion, and 2 it is the first even number in the natural number discussion, and in the odd number, first odd number it is our 1. It may be natural number, otherwise it may be our whole number. Okay, so today the discussion it is this much. So you have to attempt the exercise 3.2 in your book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.